Good evening, y'all. This is Tuesday evening. Here comes the Amtrak train number 14, code Starlight. This train is headed to Seattle at the Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A's Stadium. By the way, the Oakland A's beat the Giants 3-1 on the preseason. So, anyway, here comes the train. It's a P-42 DC leading off. Always a P-42 on this one. All right, folks, we got a P-42 DC, P-42 number 134 and 176. All right, folks, taking that train to Seattle. A new concept on the Starlight. So P-42 number 134 took over for P-42 number 50, the steel belt one. So I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.